Good evening, students. This class is about WH questions. The grammatical structure for make WH questions is like we see a WH word, to be verb or to do the verb, subject, and verb or complement. This is the form to make the structure of the WH question. Yes. Some words to make WH question, all words have the letters W and H. For that reason is WH question. And the first word is what. What is used asking for information about something. For example, what is your name? What is your cell phone number? And so on. When. When is another word. A WH word is using asking about time. For example, when did he leave? Another word is where. Where is asking about place or position, like in where do they live? Which is another word which is asking about choice. For example, which color do you want? This one or that one? Yes. Who. Who is asking what or which person or people. Example, who opened the door? Why. Why is a question asking for reason. Asking what and verb and for. For example, why do you say that? Then if you need know why, don't use for what. It's not correctly. In Spanish is good, but in English you must use why. Another form to use why is when we say why don't, is making a suggestion. For example, why don't I help you? It's a suggestion. Yes. And the finish, the word how is asking about manner. How does this work? Is an example. Another form is asking about condition or quality. Example, how was your exam? Yes. And then we know in this moment the principal WH word questions. Then you must have a little work. H1 must do a questionnaire with 10 questions using WH interrogative words. After, you should form pairs to work together with your teammate, and H1 must read to his or her partner each question, and the partner must respond in oral form, like in a news interview. Yes. At the finish, a couple of students must record both interviews and send them by the virtual environment for the next week. It's all for this night. See you next week. Bye and thanks.